Hi guys, welcome again. Today we are going to make something like this with gum paste for wedding cake work, wedding cake gowns work, or it's a cutout just like a lace. So I'm going to teach you easily how to do that. So for that, first let's look at the list of the material which is needed. I have three cutters here. So already I've done the smaller one, so I'm going to do these two. And I have magic gum paste or flour paste, okay, which I'm using. I rolled it out here. Then I have silver dust color or luster dust. Okay, I have water, right, and I have a cutter and a brush. And the most important one is the lace mat. Whichever laces you want. This looks almost for, you can use it for an applique work on a cake, anything. You can use it as a flower also directly without doing the laces. Okay, so I've rolled out the uh, gum paste or the flour paste for it's not very thin, it's not very thick. Okay, so I'm just going to cut it, right, one more. So I'm doing three. So this is not giving a clean cut, but you can always cut it afterwards with the either sharp blade, a knife, or the cutter. So it should not become very dry. So this is come. Now this one, I'll remove it. Okay. Now see what I'm going to do. Because we don't need the full flower this thing, because these flowers are going to come on top of this. So I'm just doing the edges. So you see how I'm doing. Yeah. Right. You could do the full, or you can leave the center alone, because we are going to put the other flower on top of it. Okay. The same procedure for the next one. As you can see all the impressions. That again same thing. You can cut this neatly or you can leave it, because it looks like a fabric, right? Again the same procedure, the edges, turning it. You can say it looks like a lace by itself. It dries also very fast. Now let's do the coloring part. Let me see if I missed any spot in this. I don't think I missed any spot. If you have missed any spot, please go ahead and yeah. So what I'm doing, I'm putting it like this and pressing it. If you have it slightly thicker, then the impression will be very good, right? This is slightly bigger. I have done a smaller one on this. I have done this on this. I can show you this also. You can see the difference. This is this design. Doing the same on this. You can see the intricate design. It's almost like a cloth lace. Remove till I'm satisfied. Right. So this looks good. Now I'm going to take the luster dust. These are the three cutters which I used. You can use any cutters you want. This is the luster dust. Okay. Because the center I am not doing, the other flower is going to come on top of it. Thus you can see I have done the whole thing completely. If you want, you can cut the edges also. This will dry in 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, that's it. Then you can put it on cake. This gives you a very nice cloth effect or a lace cloth effect for especially wedding gowns. Putting in top of this. You want it cross, you can do the cross. Or you want it center, you can do the center. So this will be the center, right? You can use water to stick it. You can do a gold also, because I have done gold on the wafer paper. So I said I'll do the silver because it gives a nice effect for, as I was telling you, for the wedding gowns, especially the white wedding gowns. Okay. This will go on top of it. You can see it now. Okay, I'll stick it with water. Taking a little bit of water. Yeah. Not a lot of water. I'm putting a little bit of water here in the center. So you see the position how you want it and stick it. So I prefer this. Okay. You can put this on top on the cake and just put it on the dummy. The brush. You can see the edges. If you want, you can cut the edges. Let me go. Let me know, guys, how this look. Okay, I'll just show you. Take it out and show you once. Okay. How does it look? Okay, you can put it like this to dry, or you can put it straight because you want to stick it onto the cake. Then you can directly stick it onto the cake. See? It's quite thin, just like a cloth lace. At the same time, it looks beautiful. So let me know what you think of it, guys. You can see the shine, I think. Yeah. My fingers are silver, sorry about it. I just colored it, right? Okay. Okay. We'll stick that also with water. Okay guys, how does this look? Thank you for watching. I'll be back tomorrow with one more video, a short video on my Pico paste petals, which I had already done. Okay, thank you.